In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to find a lost or misplaced phone by simply clapping or whistling if the device is simply around you and you cannot locate it. So the first thing is get hold of your smartphone. So this works for Apple and Android devices. So accordingly, you could follow my video till the end. Not a problem. Since I have an Android device on me right now, I would be showing you how to do it on an Android device. So the first thing is I want you to get hold of your smartphone. Once you do that, you go ahead and get to Google Play or the Play Store and you search for Clap to find my phone. Now, once you do that, you are going to see a lot of options for applications that can help you to do so. I want you to select NicoSoft Find Lost Phone by Clap. This is the best application on the Play Store that is going to help you to do this. So you click on this option and you click on install. Once the application is installed, you click on open and it opens on your smartphone. You may just see ads pop up out here. Click on continue to app and it's going to take you to the application directly. Here you need to select your language. If you understand French, Bengali, Italian, English, whatever. I've selected English. Click on apply. Then you could go ahead and select or choose clap or whistle to find your phone. So you click on this button, you click on the next button, you click on this button. You also have options like putting in voice passcodes and stuff like that, which is super interesting. So once that is complete, the next thing is select the voice that you would want when you clap. So if you want to hear a meow or a dog bark, you could maybe customize the sound by clicking on the icon. For cat meow, maybe you could go ahead and increase the volume. You could select the duration for 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. So once you select the duration, the next thing to do is click on apply. Once you click on apply, you're good to go and you get back to the screen. Now you click on tap to activate. You get directed to this page. You click on allow access, click on allow, click on continue. And this is set for you on your phone. Now say supposing you have misplaced your phone and it's somewhere nearby, you could just go ahead and clap and your phone is going to sound a meow. Exactly like this. The phone is going to sound like this and your flashlight is going to keep on flashing. So if you're nearby and you could hear your phone, you could go ahead and put off the alarm. To put off the alarm, what you could do is just get back to the application and you could just stop the alarm by clicking on this button out here. Now, this is a very small attempt to find a lost phone, but it is yet interesting and it is going to help you to find your phone if it is misplaced nearby. Another important thing is that you need to have this installed on your phone before it actually gets misplaced. So I suggest you do that right now. And by doing this, I hope you find your phone if you misplace it nearby. Take care, my friend.